Learn how to make money online. Many people cannot find fruitful employment, which is why so many look for work online. You can either earn some supplemental income online, or you may even be able to earn enough to live off of. Continue to find great advice on how to make money online. Figure out the niche that you are in first. Do you like writing? Market yourself as a video writer. Do you have a talent for graphic design? Many people will hire you to work on their sites or documents. Introspection will help you along. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Surveys are a great way to make money online. There's lots of places where you can take them. This can net you some extra dough. However, they usually don't pay much. They are fairly easy and the money adds up quickly. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and paper post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. Diversify your income streams as much as possible. It is often difficult to make money online. What is popular can change with new technology. Spread your streams of income around. Doing this means that you can fall back on multiple streams of income should one falter alone. Check out the reviews before you hang your shingle at any one site. For example, working for Google as a search result verifier is a legit way to make some extra cash. Google is a huge company and they have a reputation to uphold, so you can trust them. Having watched this video in full, your eyes are now open to how people make a living online. It is not as difficult to make money online as you might have thought, and now that you have great tips to follow, it should be simple for you. Learn from these tips and begin earning money today. Student loan.